Dumelang Lindlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Lord Umkhokha the curse. Umkhokha is conquering. Let us start ngoKhulekani. Khulekani is going phesheya. Uguy izinto ziyampopela. Uguy izinto zihamba the way. Guys, I'm going to start a YouTube channel Lina and then start preaching on that YouTube channel so that I can get 3 million views and go to America, and get television deals. Hey, phela Khulekani life is happening and it's all booming nje. Just there to us once nje. Kuyabhuma. But ke uguy is succeeding. Uguy is happy. The family is happy. But uZamcolo was not able to be happy with them and celebrate with them because he is not feeling well after the whole thing kaMamZobe, right? And then ahambeke uMabusi azama ukumtshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoKhulekani and says, I see you are heavy hearted. The reason why uMvelase angilethela is for me to carry your burdens, to help you carry your burdens, and you need to tell me what's going on with you so that I can help you carry it. You can't carry it alone. Ukuthi uzobhabaza indaba asazi ukuthi uzobhabaza indaba uZamcolo or uzoyenza kanjani. But what we know ukuthi ngale Empapathisweni, things did not go as expected. As much as uGabisile had prepared a beautiful meal and thought ukuthi they're going to be cheerful and talk happily ever after. No. We all believe ukuthi vele uMvelase loves uMamZobe to hell and back, but this time uMvelase is shocking us. uMamZobe, guys, did not come back from the water. uMamZobe did not come back. uMamZobe kahle kahle sekayinyoka yamanzi or whatever. Yeah. Isithunywa sakhe shuthi sisemanzini bathi ke sithunywa ke ugirl did not come back. Uphakathi wayo jumped in the water. Ummona phakathi wayo bani uphakathi wake phakathi manje uzama ukuzenza steering uzama ukuzenza ushakazulu nangu guy inside phakathi. The water did not come with MamZobe. Bambambe vele. And then they called rescuers. Rescuers came and then they could not find uMamZobe. The question is, what is uMvelase going to do with uMamZobe? We all know that uMamZobe is not going to be no more. She is definitely going to come back. But what is the lesson that she's supposed to learn now, right? Like, kwenzakalani? Bahambe ke uNobuntu ahambe yoqhaza kibo. Hayi uGabisile akhale vele kube buhlungu because she didn't understand. While she was crying, uNdlovu nophakathi wayo, they also went to uZamcolo to tell uZamcolo the news. uZamcolo was just also, when they said the news, he was thinking about all of MamZobe's confessions. As he was thinking of those confessions, and he's like, hi guys, please excuse me for a bit. Was he going to pray? Was he going to do what? We don't know. But what we know is that our Zobelicious vanished, nowhere to be found, taken by the water. Phela manje she's the queen of the river, or she's the river of the queen, or whatever, man. Marake, this is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.